Welcome to Technical Developers. Today I will show you how to use listView in Android Studio. First of all, we take a listView, match parent, and match parent. Then we make object. Then find view ID. Then we make a string array. Then we take array adapter. Then we make object of array adapter. Then we use set adapter. Then we call the listener of the list view. Set on item click listener. If on the list view there are 6 to 7 items, if we want to click on that item, then I want that message should be print or new activity will be opened. Then we use this, and this is set on item click listener. And now I am using toast to print the message on the item click. Here I am using position equal to 0. It is because I am taking string array and array starts from 0. So in first item this message will be printed. When I click first item this message will be printed. Now I run on visor. Let's see what happen. What will be the output? Here I use string array. These all items are printed on the list view. This is because I am using array adapter. Array adapter is used to print the values of the string array into the list view. Array adapter is used for this purpose. Set on item quick listener is used. Set on item click listener is used to to print the message to use the intent on the particular item. Here I am using toast on the first item. Here I click on this item. Here I not use dot show method. Dot show here I not use, that is why message is not print. I run again this. Here I run it again. Here I click on the first item. Here a message is printed. Okay, thank you friends. If you like this video, please comment on this video. Thank you.